guys, if you wanna start these things, you must know there's no money. Money will come after, and it may come after some years.
Yes.
Mafuna imali ungaqali mfethu. Hamba uyosebenza mafuna imali.
Ebox awayaqasha futhi.
Ifuna imali hamba uyosebenza.
Music. Go to Spotify, search Nwabisa Magadla. Go to Spotify, search Isa Matthews, ISSA, Matthews with a double T. Search Nabu YouTube. Since you're on YouTube, Mauketa Bugela le, you search Alapaya, Nwabisa Magadla, Isa Matthews. Those are our top brands. This is Pushayo on Creative World, on the music side. Next, you pay to get playlisted on the playlist, but Fresh Friday, new ton the playlist, you pay to get on. It's kind of the same payola. You pay the middleman to put you on Spotify, Deezer, iTunes, You pay, regardless, you pay. But I think radio has more influence because a lot of people listen to radio. Uyakwazi ukuplug radio ube busy you didn't stream or use your data to listen to it.
Because radio is for free.
It's for free. So now it's easy to
stay tuned for another special episode of Easy on It with Sithole.
Hi guys, welcome to Easy on It with Sithole. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time we drop anything, guys, you'll be notified. Guys, today I have like a creative, guys. I got like the whole production with me. Pinch,
sure.
Thank you for coming through. I wish from now so busy sebenzisana here and there. Please introduce yourself. Who are you and what is it that you do?
What's up, guys? Fede. My name is A.Vibes. Elasekaya, I'm in Matthews. We are Eastern Cape. I'm a creative. A company called Creative World. Me and my brother. So we've been doing music. Doing music, doing broadcasting, doing events, doing graphic designing, in the media, multimedia space. So
anything related to media.
To media, ngakeleza ngaya diploma in media. And then after that, they span us to la. So sakala into companies, I register. Sakhula samukhula musically sizakamnandi and nge broadcasting and other things sisafunda saqala kancane siyaqhubeka uzosibona ispan sethu soon la ku YouTube
ipage vele banikeze lona
ipage uzosithola ku Creative World TV also
Creative World TV
Creative World TV uzosiphinda usithole on the Podheads. Check out the Podheads siyazwakala la.
The podcast like. Unobani
ku Podheads. Ku Podheads ngiphethe uIsa Matthews. Ngiphethe uPalisa, ngiphethe uDudu Diamond, ngiphethe uNqweneka, ngiphethe uTlogi, ngiphethe uKholo. It's a team of creatives nje siyahlanganisa. Sizama ukuhlanganisa content because siyabona lama podcast
siyabona but we're coming with guy azama ukuthi sizodlala la
Podheads. Otherwise thank you for having me, my brother.
No, it's okay man. You are family here, man. Guys, you're still gonna see me on Podheads. I'll be appearing here and there if they want me. It will be like female actually. If I need you guys, it means you guys have to come through. If you guys need me of anything, I'll pull up. You mentioned something very important, man. You said you studied media.
I studied media
and then you have a diploma in it.
2011 ngiqale diploma ngakeleza it was a 3-year diploma but ngenze more because imali bafethu yabo imali lokhu ngibambele emuva ngiloko ngiqhubeka kancane so this year I'm proud to say kapila I'm complete so soon ngizograduate ngikho noma ngifuna ukugraduate ngifuna ukuspara like
he talking about?
Graduation.
No, bro, but like you mentioned something very important, ne? You said, okay, you went to whatever that you did when it comes to creative, whatever, ne? And then you started media, boom, 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 boom. For you to say which ufuna imsebenzi, dog, me, according to me, this is me, right? I believe which umuntu, ne? When you go to school to study like anything, to be your, it's either is from as little as your HR to your
doctor, teaching,
bro,
whatever.
anything. Ne? I believe Gucci, they teach you so you can start your own thing.
Yeah,
do you understand?
Yeah.
So if ever by any chances, because we don't have financial muscles, most of us, that's why you're saying you need like a job and everything. Ne? As much as like, bro, according to me, I feel like each and everything that you have to learn from the class, it's either it's a lecture or teacher and everything, ne? You have to use that particular person to live with it.
Yeah.
You understand?
True.
That's why I tell you, I'm a doctor, I'm a surgery, do you understand? About from the sale, so you can be a slave. They teach you so you can stand on your own. Do you understand?
So what I mean is that obviously I'm just in a company that we registered in creative world. So my team from seven for my company.
Oh, I get it now.
I'm not really into the graduation ceremony. I have my registered business. Now I'm gonna want tenders from 70. I'm advert guys. Specializing in advertising. So I can create an advert from scratch. You can tell me, okay, brand yami, brand ethile, let's say Coca-Cola. Bafuna advert ukukhuluma nabantu ukuthi bazothenga in kanjani, new brand. I can do all of that.
Bro, like for you saying such like very important, like, you know, point when it comes to advertising and everything. Like you, okay, now you are on like podcast spaces, right? McG was doing, I think Chiller's Punch and stuff. Did you get a chance to do some advert?
Yeah, when I saw that competition, it was late. My girlfriend was showing me, hey, check out this. Why we born late night, but I saw it late. Must have review my ads, and I saw some good ads. And they didn't even go to school for that. So
some of us we did go.
Some people didn't go to school for these things. Like I'm in the music production space. I went to school for it. Sound engineering. So I dropped out. I want radio broadcasting. So I went to radio, but still being a passion. So kanjalo ngizithole sing producer cause I'm a producer yadura ama beats. Ngibalekela ukungabhadali.
Ukuthi hayibo nginephepha for.
Ngaqala ngatobetsa ngathole yami. Nami ngiyakwazi producer, ngiyakwazi ukubhala, ngiyakwazi and ngiyela ngesikele. Just i passion.
Ghostwriter.
I'm a ghostwriter. I don't like being in front.
How much are you charging? I want to release the song as well. Cause like my channel doesn't have like a theme song and everything.
Guys, for now, ghostwriting is free. Up until 2026, we are better. But for now and next year, I'm free for the whole year. So if I'm free, and
so I
call me now. Abanye bafuna ukubhalelwa mara bakwazi ukubhala.
Okay, you mentioned something very important. Okay, wenza ilona, you write songs for abantu, ghostwriting, and then you produce them beats as well, because you know this is your profession that you're talking about.
I produce, I write.
And then for Ilona, how much are you charging per beat?
Per beat? We can talk per beat. It depends. I like to. Angithanda ukipha ama beats wami. Let's say nginike beat bese ingoma yakhona ngayithanda. Iza studio ngine studio. Is a studio si record. And then mangithandile it's free or it's cheap. But mangayithandanga ngizokudurela. So angifuni ukuthi beat yami imali.
Why is that when you release ilona ngoba like you feel like you can hold on into these things?
Angifuni ukurelease izinto ezingekho eziwork or eziweak or ezingekho mnandi yabo. So if ingoma imnandi ngakunika for free my brother. Serious. Nanga ngisazikhulisa iprofile yami neportfolio yami egaming for sure ningazi ngiqala ukungibona. I'm usually behind the camera, behind the scenes. I ghost right angisithandi le side lelo. So ukuze abantu bakwazi kumele uloko besifana esifanini sakhe. If ngaqala manje ngicharge ngithi beat yami 300 bangapha abantu abazoyithatha. Very few. But if you come through and we work on a song, ngizokubhalela, ngizokuproducela for free, full song, mahala. Just when I bring your A game, shine ngome mna. So for no angicharge, ngizoqala ukucharge 2026.
Yeah. That's where uzoqala ukuluka. But like how many songs have you released that is out there? Abantu, maybe like people don't know which you are the ones. Matthew was behind, the keyboards, mastering and everything. How many songs is out there?
Well,
that maybe we might know.
I think abantu bayazi ngoma ka Isa, the first song ege yakhithwa eyam. Isa used my beat refresh. It was 2011. Refresh by Isa Matthews. Wanyana ha ore khalele jora ore walale wena mara still one lora.
Ki hip hop.
Yeah, ki hip hop.
Oh, okay.
I wrote and produced on that song. And what else? Iswega Like by Isa Matthews. I produced that song. Kola Moya by Nwabisa Makadla. I wrote on that song.
Hip hop again.
That's 3-step.
Oh, okay, all right, okay. Because there's 3 steps in piano.
Yeah.
There's 3 steps in house music.
Oh yeah. 3 step piano, I think.
Yeah. Okay.
And then what else? There's a lot. I can't remember.
Oh, bro, what I know.
Chakalaka, if you know Chakalaka, I wrote that song. Steps got Chakalaka sing. I write those choruses. Isa, I write a lot of choruses on Isa Matthews hip hop songs.
Yeah.
I wrote a lot on Nwabisa Makadla's album.
Okay.
So I've been working bafethu. Shout out to Nwabisa, shout out to Isa Matthews, Creative World, Jiggy Prince, Abo, my whole team, man. So so who know ngihlanganisa i-team yokubhala because I can't do it alone. So guys, Sisa say free.
Pull through guys before he's into change and everything. The reason today I have you here, of course I wanted to know your journey, like where you guys are, like how these things, everything started. You are mentioning Isa a lot, Matthews here and there. Isa Matthew, guys, it's his brother, guys. So like most they say Gucci don't work in a family. He Gucci in fact that thing which you as brothers can do these things.
I think because tina family near to sikhule sibaningi na.
Okay.
I think besi 8 7 sihlala in the same household. So we were each other's friends. We became so besinaba bangani ngaphandle esikolweni nanani ebholeni, but we were always playing together. Besine team yethu ekhaya because baningi. So we always had that unified vibe. Also because me and Isa we pursued the same thing after matric. We went to sound engineering. So I was more into the production side. He was more into the live setup sound, live sound events and stuff. So that's where we went, and then Safunda and realized we need to register our own thing. So ngikumbula besifuna drop out because bekudura scale abo. Ithi makriza thatha le mali yasescale usinike yona siqala business sound. Wathi hayi nina nazi next business.
Like it sound like to hire sound.
Yeah, hire sound events and the whole thing. Yeah. We had this friend from Infinite Boys, Tony. We were going to start now, and then Umakriza was hi guys, go to school. You don't know anything about business.
But like sometimes you can't blame our parents.
Because
they always think like to have at least that paper, that's how you're gonna make money. And they don't understand which you are the ones who have to go and make money.
Exactly. Even if you have the paper,
bro. Even if you don't have a paper, how many people like each and every? Okay, I always say these things to some guy, his name is Marcone. I always say this: the people who broke away from the system, they are the ones who have money.
Yes.
Your Caspers, your job, because they don't follow what the system
They
tells
do not
them.
follow the system.
Do you understand, dog? So once you break away from the system, for you to get money and for you to get very poor, like there's like 50-50 chances. And especially if you are passionate with something.
So
bro, I'm telling
another
you.
thing is taking a risk on yourself. If you take a risk on yourself, then you will thank yourself later.
Yeah, that's true.
So yeah, we tried to break away from the system, but the parents said no, get back to the system.
Yeah.
So then Satlugana in that year 2013, I think. Then I went.
That's where you guys were supposed
2011.
Yeah, that's
I
where
went
you
to
guys.
media.
That's where you guys were supposed to start your own.
Yes,
thingy.
we had started our own brand. I had not registered, and then I was the producer and writer behind Isa Matthews Music. We went to Pitori, we killed it. Mamelodi, shout out.
Shout out to Mamelodi, bro. Like, you're a crazy story about like Pitori people talk. When I look at my stats, they like when you check like, because it's South Africa, Mozambique, Tanzania, USA, and what else? I don't remember any what else. People who are busy watching a lot. But when you go inside checking the stats in SA, Pitori is the highest, dog.
Wow.
Like they're the ones who understand the game, dog. Like, yo, bro. Now we're moving.
Support.
We're moving like
support. Thank you, Peter.
Yo, shout out to PTA, dog. Yeah.
When we got there, we killed, man. I went to media, studied media. He went to study in sound engineering, but at another school. Yeah, and then he graduated in 3 years. And then, I even graduated. And then Satola, there was a guy who was willing to invest in Isa Matthews, the brand, the musician.
Yeah.
Then we went and registered the company now, and then we went, fast forward.
Oh, you didn't want to sign Isa?
No, he bought studio equipment and started a record label.
Wow.
So we had the creative minds, the intellectual property. He had the financial property, and then Sahlangani.
Damn.
And then
bro.
we pushed, man.
The mission was complete.
This brand is one of the brands that we released under that label.
Shout out to Joseph
Finest. It was our highest. We shot videos, we got deals. Kuhamba kahle, and then uyazi ke makuhamba isikhathi ama-ego ayaqabanga.
Yo
mase sifike endaweni
bro
uzobona i-ego yakho ngapha kweyami ukuthi awusancenye or whatever.
Bro, like I can do it.
Yeah, but without
like,
you.
Yo, I was like, I don't need you guys. Like, and like, especially people who come. Okay, you said you guys have like a solid team of close to 8 or 10 people, right? Bro, you see how humble you are right now. Come back to this channel in 3 years to come. How many are you gonna be on the very same?
Let's
like,
do that,
bro. Like it's crazy. It's crazy because
I wanna find out.
Because like I know, because now, let me tell you something. Right now, there'll be like a stars of the show, especially the potheads, right? They're gonna be like a superstar, and you're gonna need that person, and that person will need you guys to beg her or him every time. Now they're gonna have this big head in such a way which the production can't move without me. I'm the one who's carrying that thing on my back. For forgetting that there's a sound engineer, the qualified.
It's a team.
You can't do it alone.
Can't do it alone.
So I hope the podcast doesn't have this thing.
I hope so too.
And if somebody feels like they're too bigger than the brand itself, because I have people who felt like that.
For sure.
I have people who felt like that. They say they're going to start their own channel, boom, 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 right? I was like, I failed. Bro, I waited. I was like, I want to subscribe to that channel. Like, I want to see, like, what are they going to do?
So far.
You know what? Like, a funny thing, bro, like, it's just me, dog. I don't even have like a proper job that I can say like I can offer people like food, transportation and everything. I'm still hustling. I'm still hustling my ass off. So they were demanding like drinks from me. They were demanding like food. I have to buy the KFCs and everything. Then I was like,
I did.
I'm telling you that. Then I was like, you know what? We are finishing late to shoot. Yeah, you know what? You have to Uber us. Then I was like, no, you know what? Let's go back to the drawing board. first thing first, I didn't invite these people. Because the people that I invited them, they understand like where I'm going and they understand the vision.
The vision,
right?
yeah.
So okay, sharp. So they said they want 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I said no, let's go back to the drawing board. Then I had to sit down with the people that I invited personally. I was like, yo guys, do you see where this thing is going? Yeah, no, we see it's a toilet, we see. I was like, I don't have that kind of cash, guys. I'm still struggling. I still need cameras. I still need this and still need that. Like, how can I be buying food and alcohol and transporting you guys while I'm still sacrificing myself? I don't eat bread just for you so you can have, let's say, cold drink.
And another thing, like ubani uzoma demand ubani siyakwazi for sure ngibazi la ubani. So why bazodemand abo?
I don't even know that.
Umuntu uzodemand mfethu if sibize uMac G.
Yeah.
Mac G uzodemand hayi wena.
Because it's a big brand, do you understand?
When I see brand,
we are trying to build each other.
Exactly.
Do you understand?
Ngibekele platform. When I platform in yakho, ngi platform, so ngiyisebenzisa. That's enough.
And I say to these people when we're busy starting this thing, Mac G always says, I'm gonna reference Mac G too much because he's the god when it comes to this podcasting process. He said this thing, it's a billboard. So it means you are Matthew. As much as you are saying that like, yo, we did this, Joseph Finances was the number 1 selling, whatever. Yo, bro, you are selling yourself. There are people who need your sound engineer. They need like a visual, whatever from you guys. Do you understand? So for you to have like a podcast and everything, and then writing down things that like, guys, if you need anything, please email podheads what podcast or email whatever according to Creative Wealth. Boom. If you want things, bro. The more you say such and such, and the more I'm always shooting you, Matthew, you're becoming a brand.
You're building my
bro,
brand.
When people come to you, you are the ones who's gonna benefit. I told them, I was like, yo, bro, if a brand comes, let's say like let's say Colgate comes and says, guys, we want to advertise on your platform. We can see you guys got numbers. We can see people are like, it's where people are. People are tuning in. They know Monday you're dropping. Do you understand? So now we wanna test things. Okay, Colgate, to advertise for, let's say, for 5 episodes, we're gonna need like 70,000. Let's say on that 70, let's say 40% it's yours, then the rest is gonna go to the production because we still have to improve. I was like, you are the ones you're gonna eat through this thing, and I'm not promising you that tomorrow this thing's gonna pay. Do you understand? You have to do it these things because you love it. That's the first thing first, mate. Don't come here seeking for money. Bro, you gonna better. Yeah, you gonna better.
So,
bro, even now, maybe them say, episode this is Tropile Monday. I'm sure by now, if you're watching this, there's an episode that we already dropped on Monday. Yakalela, the guy who played for Kaizer Chiefs, Sundowns, Orlando Pirates as well. Bro, I went there to go and shoot. These guys were even taking the time of their lives and everything. I was like, yo, I'm here for this thing. I'm gonna wait here. It was raining and everything. I didn't complain. Yeah, and it was raining. I just chilled where they said they're coming back. They must go and chow and come back so I can have what I came for. Do you understand? It's a passion, it's a love and everything. So, guys, if you wanna start these things, you must know there's no money. Money will come after, and it may come after some years.
Yes.
Mafuni imali ungaqali mfethu. Hamba uyasebenza mafuni imali.
Ebox awayaqasha futhi.
Ifuna imali hamba uyasebenza. Don't come here and then cry ukuthi what. No. It doesn't work like that. It's all about umuntu ofuna ukuzibuild. If Matthew wants to do these things, you want to do this thing because you love this thing, Matthew. And you want to say which brand yako. Like, okay, you are telling me only to no. My crazy, no, man. Give us that money. Let us start something. Now it's your chance now. Do Do you understand? Without her hand, without her doing anything.
Not much. It's with the pega.
Later, besikhuluma ngayo back there. Sithe sifuna ukwenza
I think ubonile via now we have a really good studio. And ngiyabonisa ukuthi nyasi lento sayifuna asihlali and my brother is always on. We are fixated overthinker kakhulu. He likes standard equipment.
Yeah,
so it's expensive. Taste yakhe yabo. It's expensive. So namasi Hispanisa guys, Hispanisa sazi ukuthi imali kumele ibuye. Angeke ibuye kusasa, angeke ibuye next month or next year. But wenza ama plan dog, wenza ama plan, life ifuna ama plan ngani. Ubangene, uzi advertise uphume lapha yana. Yeah. So ama brands ayafuna abantu abanama numbers. So wena yenza ama numbers.
Then uzokhona ukupresent
ukuthi nami mangithola le podcast lesi shutayo mic drop. Abantu bami ngizoba sharela ukuthi ngikholisa ama number. Abanye abantu nje obuthi ukuthi bazodemanda drinks what. Umuntu uzofika lana enza into ayenzayo bese ahambe akayishare nokuyishare abantu babo. Ngithola akasho nokuthi subscribe.
Guys, this is what I'm subscribe guys.
You just gonna come here. Guys, when you come here, you do your thing. And then you leave. When it drops, you share. Uhlala ushare uyahlanya. Abo thina hlanya kanjani? Thina sipost into eziwa njalo. Ngiyazi siyabadina ku WhatsApp, ku Facebook.
Utalile la malingwayo.
Ayileka kabaliko YouTube. Sinjalo dog. Sasayina somewhere. Yeah. So mama push dogekela mfethu hambe sebenza.
Yeah, go and look for a job somewhere guys.
And another thing I'm unemployed. Ngicine last year ukuspana. This year ngitshela ukuthi no, isikhathi siyavala. Let me start
something.
Yebo, let me start already under a company yethu ne. We left that company Drop Joseph Finance. In Kamalai Nix Mapa Media, we left it because there was ego fightings with the partner and Then we dropped it. Sakali into yethu we bought new equipment. Ngokufunda kwethu ke
from
scratch.
Studio.
Started from scratch in 2020.
Damn bro, this
scratch studio, registering new, everything new. Started pants. We left everything and moved. Sakala since 2020 now 4 years later, at least we see where we're going. We're going to go into broadcasting, manje. Yeah,
but like sound-wise, because you guys have mentioned in about sound-wise,
music. Yeah. Go to Spotify, search Nwabisa Magadla. Go to Spotify, search Issa Matthews, ISSA, Matthews with a double T.
Yeah.
Search Nabu YouTube. Since you're on YouTube,
yeah.
Mauketa Bugela le, you search Alapaya, Nwabisa Magadla, Issa Matthews. Those are our top brands. This is Pushayo on Creative World on the music side. Next year, I'm releasing 2 EPs. Nangsi umuntu release but I was having fun this year at studio.
You are like, no man.
So ngathi hayi isipane singaka.
Let me venture.
Yeah. So next year.
Because even last guys, when I tried to phone you and you say, yo bro, I missed it. I'm like, yo bro, I can't take your call right now. I'm busy. I'm cooking something.
I'm calls. Guys, my calls. If you're watching, I don't take calls really. I'm always on WhatsApp. So anytime on WhatsApp, but one phone it's a studio every time. So I can't stop for a call. I can stop for a voice note, but not a call. So otherwise, so Jiggy Prince, is going to be a star. Jiggy Prince, we have a boy in the Tumeli music work. We're dropping Zokala Ngai next year. EPR is going to see launcher, and then next year Jiggy Prince. Yeah, I'm
Jiggy Prince. Mozambique. Before drop. We have to talk. We have to talk about it. Which touches sketches ngaganani na yini ukuthi ufuna ukulona land ukwenza music. You are mentioning a lot about like okay, I'm an artist they can search on Spotify do you guys even have like a music video?
The last music video we have is Joseph Finance.
But like Nina as like Matthew and then as a creative world on site.
No, we haven't shot.
What's missing?
Music video. There's a music video. Issa Matthews did a song Ekibela le beat like Kendrick lelia, not like us. Okay. Yeah, we shot a video kona hii kasi. It hasn't dropped yet. I don't know if it's gonna drop, but I shoot.
A video
yakhona. Now it's keeping ngoma. It's not like pouring. Yeah, check it out. It's out there. It's doing really good for to
not like Paul.
Good TikTok, not like Paul. Research it to Zoitola. I think the video is also there. But again, I'll confirm. He's a drop high video. But so far we don't really have official videos yet. Sizokala release next year. Besisa spano dog. Besisa tole equipment yokushutela cause niyadura.
The video.
And
every video is expensive.
Yeah, so ezinye izinto ezimost ezenza ukuthi sithole izinto zethu ne. Thina uqale si recorder ngama 100 rand studio 200. Take yakhona imaster wana kahle uyithola manje bakufakele USB angeke uphinde ubone ifile yakhona. Ufike kuma radio bathi hayi le track asidlala iyabheda kanti ku bad quality.
Oh abayilonanga like let's say mastering more
ayikho industry standard. So sikhule sirecorda kanjalo sabonga ukuthi man siyarojwa and then decide ukuthenga i-studio set. So now having a music sabonga ukuthi abantu bayakhosta ukushoot music video. Izinto zokushoota ziyadura guys, ama camera lights and equipment ziyadura, I understand. So sathi asitholele na wethu ama camera and stuff yabo. So sizoqala ukushoota ke soon. Yeah, siqhubeke 2025 se release into eziningi.
There's a lot that is coming. Creative World is coming with fire. It's coming with fire.
So from next year onwards guys, sizoba nje sinikeza content, musical content, YouTube content, Facebook content, advertising content.
I'm sure if people wants you guys to shoot a music video for them, they can.
Yeah. If you see a music video that we shot that you think it's cool, we can work with you. Just tinte. Sisase cheap guys. Sisase cheap.
Use us while you still can.
Yeah. So if you're watching this, I'm a contact. Uzo.
As of it.
Yeah. Share my contacts with me lapho.
The Creative World.
World. You can get my personal contacts. I'm Creative World. You can also get Isa's creative content. Sikhona, and if you're in Freedom Park, mfethu ngithinte ngikhona la around ni akangeke ngikutshele kuphi ngoba ngiyanisaba.
Awubona abantu bazomosha
but ungithinte dog, uringe ne brother yami ngayi. And then so connect asibone senza kanjani. Shout out.
Nah, I hear you bro. I wanted to ask you because you guys are busy in music too much, right? I was like, is it like radio so important to you guys with ingoma zenu? It must play, it must have like a airplay or nowadays because like your Spotify, your YouTube, your iTunes is making more.
You know,
like,
funny that you mentioned that. I was talking to Uchigi about that. The game is changing.
Yeah.
Tina sakala besigijimela radio. Demo wow.
Hey,
khona lento abathi payola nayazi.
You have to pay
payola. You have to pay to get on the platform, the radio platform. Then kuyahluka ukuthi ngakanani and who you know and whatever.
Exactly. Cause I think if it's top 30, sorry to cut you off. If it's top 30, it may happen you pay this payola. Let's say they say your payola, let's say is 5,000, only to fit on top 30. Let's say your track is gonna be number 30. They say, this one is Isa Methi, boom, number 30 there. So for you, even to push yourself to your top,
man,
you have to pop on boom, man.
Pump the cheese.
Payola is crazy, though.
So it's the same also Nagoma Spotify. So you pay to get playlisted on the playlist, but Fresh Friday, new ton the playlist, you pay to get on. It's kind of the same payola. You pay the middleman to put you on Spotify, Deezer, iTunes, You pay regardless. You pay, but I think radio has more influence because a lot of people listen to radio uyakwazi ukuplug i-radio ube busy
uyacleana wenza
then idlala ingoma yami. You didn't stream or use your data to listen
and
to it.
Because radio is for free.
It's for free. So now it's easy to accessible to people. So if I play on radio, more people are gonna hear me, and there's gonna be more money, royalties from radio. And going to Spotify DSPs, I believe last time I checked it was 56 cents. Last time we converter. Spotify. One stream is 56 cents.
56 cents.
56 cents.
Like one stream like per view.
Per view.
Yeah.
Angithi mawudlala plane izodlala 30 seconds. Once you 30 seconds you count that. That's when ikhala imali yakho. Yabo, but it's only 56 cents.
Yeah.
So ingalo mali big artist bayakhala Snoop Dogg or Drake bayakhala.
Snoop Dogg especially le Snoop Dogg ngathi he had like is it the billions?
Billion.
Yeah, the billions.
But he got like
then wakeshi mali.
So it's like kava ngizothatha ngizobhala ngiyothenga ibeat ngiyobhadalela i-studio time bhadalela mixing ne mastering maybe leyo nto ingangicharge abo ma 1000 something and then I go into Spotify which I pay a subscription to
be there
and then how much am I going to get per stream? 56 cents. Yeah, well,
this game is round,
but they say there are ways, tricks to, for instance, get a lot of music being streamed. Then
release more music.
More music. You won't see difference. Yeah. But if you flood a lot of platforms with it, because firstly, people listen to Spotify and YouTube music a lot. So if you have a lot of music there, then at least you're gonna generate it's not anything, but it's something. When you get paid, now I've never got paid off music. I know Isa has gotten checks from some royalty checks. It's still a little money, but it feels
something. If you
it feels good getting that check, knowing oh shit, my music is making money. So now let me push to make more money. That's how it works.
Okay, man. On your two biggest artists, because the other one you have not dropped yet, because it's Isa and this lady.
Nwabisa.
Yeah, Nwabisa. Have you guys have you ever got like gigs like to perform?
Yeah, Isa has gotten a lot of gigs here. Yeah, it's been gigging a lot here for the past 2 years, 3 years. Yeah, I'll say 2 years because I'm sure about 2 years. Yeah. One gig I was with him. Oh, another thing, DJ. So
how can you forget something that is busy popping nowadays?
DJ. The thing is, I DJ hip hop.
CDJs.
No. Yeah, well, I can use CDJs, but I'm more on hip hop.
Okay.
My piano. Flooded. So nangu hip hop side kakhulu, and I enjoy more perform. I think noba perform piano, more perform ang DJ ngibeda ngidlale ngamada. While you perform, especially if I know your lyrics, you sengenza show emnandi kakhulu. Abantu abake babona Isa I perform and I'm behind the decks, they know they performance.
It's a performance.
Yeah, so that's what I do also. So last time we were in I forgot that place. Angizazi indawo zala ngiyafika mina this year.
You guys were booked there.
Yeah, we were booked there. I DJ. I missed the one year last month. It was October 31, I think. Yeah, I missed that one. Bengeko. So yeah, it's getting booked. Nwabisa is also been performing Epitori, Centurion.
Okay.
Central.
You guys are good,
Yeah, she's been performing. She's in the Pretorian side, so most gigs are as Velangada. So we've been.
Should you guys have like a good relationship with Nama promoters?
No, not really. We have a good relationship with artists and DJs and producers. Ama promoters is umuntu ongathi uyawazi some. So what happens is that they to snake kendaweni, so awufuni ngikufaka angifaka or ngiyakufaka yabo, so thina sifakana as artists and DJs. Ama promoter maybe 2 gigs zama-promoter esike sazithola, meaning paying, because bayazi ama-promoter mele babhadale, so abasibizi and mabesibizi bathi exposure,
ukuthi sinikeze platform
mfethu mina unganike athi silami ibhodlela
as a rider.
I-rider iphi fee ke umnika ibhodlela nemali lo muntu ushiya abantwana endlini. So ama-gig tough ama-gig mara siyapusha.
I hear you, man. But like when it comes to like awards and everything, do you still find it so very important in such a way to determine career alone? You are big like that, you have taken an award, or just work your crowd as long as the awards are starting, like
I would say yes. I think awards are important, and no, as big as they are, okay, the biggest awards, I don't take them serious.
Samas,
Metros, Saftas angwalandeleli kakhulu, traditional music, angwalandeleli kakhulu, and what hip hop awards now sewaqala ukuba the big awards. Well, now awards in
general
ayathengwa from a small scale. If it's ngashaya i-Freedom Park Awards khona abantu abazosinikeza ama-brown envelope, imali sizoyithatha guys. Sizoyithatha imali and then sikubeke sikunike award. But it doesn't mean that you are better than the person that didn't win. No.
And you said something very important, Matthew. Guys, when you have that award, it's still, and now in Atimancha, it's a parent. Now you have to prove yourself. How good are you? Yes, you can buy awards and everything, but like, after that award, what are you doing?
Yes,
it's very important.
We expect you to level up, not stay there. You level up. So now among I win an award, you are still better, I'm fit. I remember 2014. 2014. Our last Tshwane Awards. We were nominated with Aries.
Okay.
Best hip hop. Best something. It was Isa Matthews against Aries.
Okay.
And we won that.
No way.
And I award.
Please vote for us,
we put our skills. I'm an advertiser, marketer, so I put my skills at playing. Then Sapusha, we won. And then that we saw ourselves as shit. We won against Aries. And there's something. And for sure now, about shit. These boys won against me. I'm gonna push hard. Look at where he is, and look at us. So. And now what doesn't really mean you are going up. It means good job, keep doing it. It's just a pattern of
exactly. It's all about if you got this achievement and everything, please do more. Please do more. That's what the award means. No, I hear you, man. Matthew, man, is it anything that you still want to share? Because today we're just shaking some tables that will be I'll be drafting more questions for you guys. We're gonna be having fun on Podheads here on Easy On with Sithole. Is there anything that you wanna share?
Okay, since I'd like to share something. Since it's Lago music, nizoyithatha wafethu ngendlela nithatha ngayo.
That is something big is going on.
I'm not trying to hate.
Spitfire now.
I'm not trying to hate. I'm not trying to nyata anyone or criticize. Well, we're in the game of criticizing each other.
It is the game.
So, artists, ndokala go hip hop. Guys, nangayithanda hip hop. But once nonke na rapper ngokufana. Nonke seninshemenya nonke sizomamelana thina abanye yebo bakhona bayithandayo ngithola sanenza nonke guys like you can be more creative than that because sizophela le style and then uzojumpela esinye futhi yabo. And then 2 mapiano vocalist ama vocalist or yini ama piano guys ulimeke khona siyamazi nalamjito omunye futhi ofana naye ngiqala umbona ngimazi kamalanga. And then khona nina bafethu nani busy asab yebathini guys sekekhona ulimeke Sikakhona, that's all I'm saying.
Yeah, only make
Angihate.
corner.
Just do something different.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
You can. Open up your mind. Sure.
Guys, soon we're going to be having another Matthew brother is not here. Please go and subscribe on the Podheads. The Podheads. Please go in and subscribe on their channel, guys. Creative World, guys. Yeah, man. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, press notification bell. Every time I drop a video, you'll be notified.